in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your measurement system used or displayed on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left side, select General, and then on the right side, you want to go down and select where it says Language and Region. And now on the right side again, underneath Measurement System, select either Metric, US, or UK, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.